Crispy, crunchy, light in weight digestives are a tea time treat. Of course, you can dunk them in your cup of warm milk too. If you love oats digestives but have not got a hang of making your own batch of healthy cookies at home, then this easy chocolate biscuits recipe is for you. Let's see how you can bake healthy whole wheat oats chocolate digestives with jaggery that are crispy, light in weight, and your perfect tea time partner. So, for this chocolate digestives recipe in your air fryer, you'll need a 240 ml cup, half cup minus 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, sift and use, and if you love them sweeter, please add up to half cup of jaggery powder, half cup of whole wheat flour, half cup minus 2 tablespoons of oat flour, 1 tablespoon of besan or chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Don't forget to sift all dry ingredients. Add 4 tablespoons of solid butter. Start rubbing the fat into the flour with your hands. It may take 1 to 2 minutes or even more, but this step is important. Let's sift the flour butter mixture. This is an important step, and this is something new that we have not been doing until now with our cookies, but please do try this step out and you will see amazing results in your cookies. This sifted flour is your digestives premix. Store in a ziploc or airtight container in the freezer. Thaw and use whenever you are craving for digestives. One teaspoon of baking powder. Yes, for this oats digestives recipe, we need baking powder. Next, add water or milk, 1 tablespoon at a time. I required 3 tablespoons to make a soft dough. Do not knead. Preheat the air fryer to 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. And if you are baking in oven, OTG or convection, you will need to preheat for 10 minutes. Roll out the oats digestives dough into a thick chapati, 1/4 inch in thickness. Cut shapes and make insertions with a fork. Place on a baking tray. I use my stainless steel basket to bake in air fryer. Bake for 15 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Check if done. Else, bake for 2 more minutes. For oven, OTG or convection, oats digestives will take longer. Let the healthy cookies cool down before enjoying one with a hot cuppa. The hint of chocolate makes these digestives even tastier. Do try out the cookies recipe and share your feedback with me. If you have ever tried any of my cookies recipes and got excellent results, please post in comments and share the pictures with me. I will love to post your feedback on the channel. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.